Our mechanized world continues to evolve and develop into a beautiful, synergistic society. Although, this red herring of preeminence is reinforced by a massive flaw. Originally portrayed as an oasis in a sweltering desert, an afterthought, this construct is simply a mirage. This world that we live in will continue to ignore world hunger, overpopulation, and pollution. But all is well in paradise, and our perfect society will soon become an entire automated machine chugging along into the apocalypse. The catalyst underscored as none other than ChatGPT. Upon its release in late November of 2022, an innovative artificial intelligence program poses drastic ethical concerns, which insinuates malicious consequences. Garry Kasparov, the former chess world champion, claims that working together with a computer is the only way to truly succeed. This statement is corroborated by society's normalized use of electronic devices and reliance on the internet to accomplish tasks. Seemingly a great strength, society's dependence on computers is emphasized as a weakness, according to Evan Pushak. The emergence of ChatGPT and increased use of AI is living according to the language of others, and it encourages cheating and plagiarism within students' work. Not only will this affect teenagers struggling throughout high school, but using a program in the workplace that can mimic human intelligence could be disastrous to countless jobs, explains PBS NewsHour. An intelligent robot that can create images, essays, and videos from a simple search query implies a new age of augmentation. Maurice Conti emphasizes our next great era as a species by highlighting many examples of augmentation in our everyday lives. Conti stresses the reliance society has on these devices and implies that further developments will likely be made shortly. Artificial intelligence has certainly been shed in a positive light, and the future seems very promising. Keep in mind that with every new technological advancement, there is a reason for concern and skepticism. Although differing in controversy, the world has oftentimes moved on. From the Industrial Revolution to World War I and II, and finally to this new age of augmentation, society is well versed in facing change and consistently overcomes challenges. ChatGPT seems like a miracle of innovation and profound technological development, and our advancements are becoming exponential. Just remember, there are two sides to every coin, and the dark side of the moon is always lurking. On that happy note, you can find all of my sources in the description. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and I'll make more content like this in the future.